For today's lesson, we will be looking at MLA citations and how to do them. So a very handy tool is the Purdue OWL website. So if you just want to type in Purdue OWL MLA citations, it should be the first thing that pops up for you. So this is what it looks like. It's a pretty easy to follow format. So how it looks is it's just a little overview right here. They use Citation Machine. Obviously, you should do your own. So this is what it's going to show you how to do. So it teaches you how to do works cited. So use 8th edition. It tells you what pieces of information you need for that. So the author, the title of source, title of container, other contributors, the version, number, publisher, publication date, and location. And then it goes down and breaks it down even further what you need. So it starts with the number 1, the author, and then goes to number 2, the title of the source. So first we'll look at the author. So you begin with the author's last name, and then you do the comma and the rest of the name. So you start with last, go to the first, and then you end this with the period. Next would be the title of the source. So you see the last name, first name, period, the title of the source. So this is a book, The Hummingbird House, and then you end that with a period as well. It also tells you how to do a web page, so you'll put that into quotation marks. It shows you what to do for a journal, a magazine, or a newspaper. It also shows you how to do it for a song or piece of music on an album, so that should also be in quotation marks. The next is the title of container. So like you see, Jamaica Kincaid, her last name, her first name, the title of her book, Girl, and then where it came from. You can also do it from TV shows, so like Parks and Rec right here. If you want, some teachers like to have the website included within the source, within the citation. So this is where you would go ahead and put it. So after that, you put the date, and then the date it was published, and then you would add in the website. And then you'd add in the other contributors. So if there was a translation, it would be down here. You'd go ahead and have versions. So here you'd have a third version. So this looks like it's from a textbook. Volume numbers. The publishers would go right here as well. Publication date is usually at the end if you don't include a date accessed. Location, so this is where you would include the page number, so you'd go ahead and put that at the end of that. And then here is other things. So this is the date of the original publication, city of publication. These are things that can and can't be used. Not always do you need them. Some teachers are really particular about it, some not. It even shows you how to do in-text citations for the 8th edition. Those are really helpful. This is just altogether a good website to come back to when you're feeling lost or confused on how to do proper MLA citations. We're going to go ahead and do our own little citation really quickly. So this is a quick little poem by Inger Christensen. So you would do Christensen, Inger, period. You would go ahead and do alphabet. Our book is the New Directions version. This is not even italicized. So it'd be New Directions. You'd go ahead and put a comma, and the date it was published was 2001. Add a period at the end, and there you go. After I fix that typo. There you go. You are all set with your new MLA citation.